Hello abantu bonse muli bwanji inezina nganje na Martha mu video za mukulangiza mwesila makeup yanu na kwamba chinyanja patawe mozi. So ngatumaikonde video funika muikonde mulembeka comment pansi and then subscribe to the channel. So lekantiyambe video.
He had his chance and he blew it. Now he's wondering why he had to do it. Cause she's gone, she's not coming back. Now
Okay, so makeup ili yonse kaipo kuyamba ufunika waika primer. Jide primer ipanga kuti foundation yako ikazinkala for a long time ikazinkalilila. But yeah, ikazinkalilila. So primer ifunika maningi chapi. Chalamba tuchameni makondo kuika powder. But thingi pamenzo panga nikabueka foundation ili yonse. Na mga kaika powder, so foundation yako futi imakala smooth maningi. So mga ka tip chabe, so ufunika maningi. Wika chali wajo na skin ili oily, funika mga ko powder bands. So nimambia na machana ma eyebrows yanga, but first masemeza from elf yaminetandeza kusabwanje chipsakula but my eyebrows nsiye. Hey, I hate it. So nsiye zako zinkala maningi. No namanga nayo isa manga chani chi primer ya eyebrows yako, so but nikonda because nsiye zako zinkala flat biga, so nakuoneka maningi natural. My eyebrows yanga nasebenzisa eyebrow pencil nje nina jaila, so I'll just go in elo tip ya my eyebrows, also kula eyebrow pencil ya black because this eyebrow pencil ya brown. So nione kapu. So yeah, often kawasensa concealer clean my eyebrows tia kalima ningi shaped na sharp. So apa manje nizaenda kusta blend concealer yanga, but munga mayona beauty blender niyo yuma maningi. So ngatisebenzisa beauty blender funika nkala koyo nana. So ngasebenzisa manzi olo setting spray. Okay, so in the foundation yamin masebenzisa ni Fenty Beauty, but kalboy sebenza funka waista ko shake amona. So in masebenzisa ma pump ya tatu, like one moja pa na moja, sometimes 4 ti inkali video kuno. So zaenda manje just a highlight pants pa mimi swapa. Zamu sensa mimi concealer. So monga kai makeup tisiana tevanti. So pesa kabena ngowa masana highlight konso kuna kusofunka waona kuti bamno sta highlight ni pichani. Oh, because kai makeup futi enda na wamione kila shape ya chani ya face ya. And then nizai setting I concealer yanga na powder. So difference here setting na kubaking ani jamino wika powder na kuisi very well. But ko setting ni jamino wika powder na kuingine seratu. Nonga kama punch guy. So in my setting I have anybody could come talila tasobela no pressure. Just a manje contour. Example say concealer, but as you can see, concealer na I see in terms of shade. Iko maningi dark. Example stira contour. apa face yose ioneka white. So wakasta contour vija iboza ja mashadows amniali chani face kwako. So number 2 is setting a contour. Setting a contour is amanga wika powder foot contour. Setting, huh?
Do you miss those days?
Then manje zaika powder fashions, eh?
Man, I'm getting old. I miss when bills were stories. Chill when we played all day and slept all night. Now we up all night cause the wake don't slip. If we slip then we ain't gon' hit. Late night thoughts.
Setting a foot kaila pa fashion ikafika pa stage pa mama kama ningi white vija so kaka setting spray ni jakti inkala ko no one kama ningi natural pa skin yako so kama ningi mngona powder. So pamene EU ma setting spray design manje na eyeshadow na palette yanga ngati mayatamba ma videos yanga mzimo mimi nasema ningi so apa manje nzaenda kuika blush kwa mbovu zanga so nimakondo sta mix ma blush abiri. Choka hapa nzaika highlighter ini masebenzesa E from MAC zina yake ni gold deposit. Na hiyo kwa kala careful because sipo nilikuwa nikamanga na maglitter kumenzo. Saka chapa ngatwa sitako so and then kacho akachaba kuno kachaka natural light. Yes. Hello eyeliner yanga mpaka chabe kuitosa hapa kuika basi nakwenda kuifiniza contour. Mama ni ikondera chabe. Hapa nitaenda na mascara masebenzesa hii from MAC. I'm blend a lip liner. And I'll also a red lipstick from C. So pamamba pake nizaweka hapo a red lipstick from Fenty. Nona munga yeka ima kala maningi bright. So sasa nimekista ko mix na lipstick ina. Everything that I have and in me was more than that it would be. I will leave my mark so everyone can know I was here. Setting spray, your last. This is a pombo soka. Shishinashi pombo soka.
I wanna live like a kid. I wanna live like a kid. No worries, no worries, no worries, no no no. No worries, no worries, no worries, no no no. I wanna live like
a video. I hope a video pangila any sense. But that my conda video. Give me a like, subscribe down below, and leave a comment. Also, got to move on my page by Instagram at Martha_Empire. So, just see the video, mama. Just see the video, So, presents a concealer. At least concealer it should be one shade kusweta, one shade lighter than you. So don't go overboard. I just taps. It's just